Hey everybody! Tired of those nights where the noise levels rival a freight train, or perhaps you're the one creating the midnight symphony? Well, you're in luck because today, we're going to be diving into a hot topic, how to stop snoring. So grab a notepad, or just get cozy and let's dive in. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! We're all familiar with the term snoring, aren't we? A 2020 study by the American Academy of Sleep Medicine showed that nearly half of adults snore occasionally, and almost a quarter are habitual snorers. Just imagine that. But don't worry, you're not alone, and there's plenty you can do about it. Firstly, snoring happens when airflow through the mouth and nose becomes obstructed during sleep. So, what can we do about this? Well, one effective step you can take is adjusting your sleeping position. Yes, as simple as that. You see, lying on your back often leads to snoring because gravity makes the tongue and soft tissues at the back of the throat collapse, which, believe it or not, can create that chainsaw sound effect. So here's a DIY hack. Ever heard of the tennis ball technique? Well, you sew a tennis ball into the back of your pajama top, and it'll make sleeping on your back uncomfortable, encouraging you to roll onto your side. Neat, right? Secondly, hydration plays a crucial role. Yes, staying well hydrated can help you to stop snoring. Dryness leads to sticky secretions in the nose and throat, leading to more snoring. A humidifier in your bedroom might just do the trick by helping to keep those airways moist. Remember that a well-hydrated body results in well-lubricated airways. Less sticky and less noisy. Another tip is watching what you eat before bedtime. You know those late-night cravings for a pizza or a sugary snack? Well, they may be contributing to your snoring. It sounds crazy, but there's a 2018 study by Harvard Medical School that explains this. Heavy meals or certain foods can relax the muscles at the back of the throat, leading to snoring. So, the next time you reach for that late-night snack, think about choosing a light, healthy option instead. Let's move on to our fourth step. Nasal strips. These strips open the nostrils wider, increasing airflow and reducing snoring. Just peel off the backing, apply the strip to a clean nose, and enjoy a quieter night. It's that simple. Finally, let's talk about pillow positioning. Elevating the head using a comfortable pillow can reduce snoring by helping to open up airways. And bonus, it might help alleviate some of that daytime sleepiness too. So you see, a few simple steps, and you can transform your nights from a symphony of snores to a sweet serenade of silence. Give these tips a try and see what works best for you. And before we go, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share it with your friends, and leave a comment down below. Let us know which tip you're excited to try. Remember everyone, sleep doesn't have to sound like a construction site. Thanks for watching, and here's to quiet, peaceful nights ahead.